Today in Captain Dio's shop, I'm going to replace the stock drive belt and back mainspring, pulley mainspring. And we're going to do it little by little. Remember, if you don't have an older brother, father, or a friend that can show you how to do this, you can watch YouTube videos. It's always better to have someone who knows what they're doing. I've never done this before, but I've done a lot of work on these bikes. We have a V-drive belt, Yamaha genuine parts. That's what you want to get in something like this. We also have a Yamaha genuine Zuma mainspring. These are like $9. Now what you can do, these are the same thing right here, used for the Dio. These are mainsprings, and they're a little bit different. They're a little larger. They come in yellow, red, green, blue, and black. What this means, where it says 1500, it's the stall speed. It means the motor will stall until it reaches that high RPM of 1500. Then the spring compresses and the second gear starts from first to second. Now if you got a stock bike, use the stock spring. I found this kind of hard to get. I got my tools right here. I'm out of the weather. You want to wash the little area around the where you're going to take it off, and I haven't taken it off. And as we get into the replacing it, it's like a human patient. The bike will tell you everything wrong with it if you listen. So what I'm going to be looking for is a shredded belt over the years. Since I've had it for 14 years, and it has 9,000, trying to get in the light here. It's got 9,200 miles. So if you've got a camera, like this camera right here, how you doing? See, I'm very old, Captain Dio. But you know what? I got all my hair. We continue. So you want to get your parts in place. You want to have a nice little tray for your parts. If you're not sure where the parts go, hi Lunar, it's neighbor's cat. Another good thing you do is you take a piece of cardboard like this here. This is what I've seen a lot of guys do. If I can get it out without it screwing up. You take the cardboard like this, and you put it on the ground, and as you're taking off like this top bolt or a side bolt or whatever bolts, you stick them into an area around the cardboard which matches your bike. If you're not sure about the what do they call it, where they go. Now on this build, I'm going to leave the air cleaner alone. I'm going to take off everything underneath it. These are basically 8mm right here. These 8, and this one will be 10, I believe. I got arthritis, so don't get old, it sucks. So I have it, all that right there, and I'm going to slowly take everything off. I'll open it up, and then we'll go from there with the camera. You want to have some really good tunes here, or way over here, Sony Explode. That's a great. I wish I would have bought another one. You can't even buy them anymore. Or you get the 2,000 watt Captain Dio rocking surround sound stereo. You want to do this right. It's too bad I can't play the stereo when I'm doing the work, but because if you do, the music people they get really upset, so I can't play the music when I'm doing it. All right, we're going to take this apart, open it up, look at it, and we'll go step by step. Rock on, Captain DIOSpeed Demon. And this time, it's for real.